Welcome everyone. So Bitcoin price surged to 78k right now, real life. You can see right here we're going up and up and up and up and up. Exactly. I hate to say that, guys, but exactly as I said to you previously. Even as oil raise again, creating new setup, what do you need to know? If you want to know what exactly is going on in the market, just stick around. I can explain you exactly what is going on, what I'm doing with my trades, and what you potentially could do if you want to join as well. Like now, I'm gonna start with the Bitcoin price in the daily. And by the way, guys, if you don't know about the daily, you're gonna learn in this video as well. I try to give time frames, explain the time frames every time in my videos, because that is how you get the most juice of the market. Many people don't know, don't have any idea about it, even though they have been already 4 years in the market. So in between other things as well. So I'm gonna start first with the daily, as I was saying, because we have been playing exactly as I say to you. We need to be careful and see that we close above. Once we close above, we could take the confirmation of the bounce down here. Let me just mark that so you can have more clear. I was saying we may go up, and Bitcoin love to F everybody. Once we go down, right here is the bounce to jump in. But if you have been following my channel, we have been already since the 65, 60, we have been accumulating around here. So that's why you should go subscribe to the channel, smash that like, and you won't be missing all these opportunities, because I have been repeatedly saying to you, we're going to do something like this, then go here. This is a confirmation not to go to 60. Everybody going to think we're going to go to 60, but instead we're going to continue going up. And I'm going to explain you a different way why I have been seeing that as well, because we have nicely formed this cup and handle pattern. You can see it right here, and then we go down, we go to the opposite side. This is the Elliot waves would be the wave and number one. This one is the second one, and then we starting already the third one. And here we're gonna have some potentially we're gonna have some consolidation, but it's gonna be like the doubt with always people's gonna be doubling there. And if you want the price target of this cup and handle, I'm gonna tell you before the video ends, but for now I just want to play you again the video when I was explaining all this, so hopefully you follow me already and you already taken these opportunities. Listen to that. Be careful, because first we need to close above. Once we close above, we know the Bitcoin price potentially is going to go in a bigger time frame, which will be the weekly. We're going to go and reach around the 86 to 90k. This is going to be happening in the next weeks to come. So it's something to consider, is we take advantage of this resistance and we go above. And as I was saying to you, this would be the area to enter. Not right here where we are, because I was calling all the time to enter around the 60k territory. So if you did not watch that video and now you want to enter, this is not an area to enter. First we need to confirm that we go up, we break the resistance, and then we went the way back. Here's when all people that get completely smashed, because everybody is buying around this area when the Bitcoin price goes. Exactly, guys, that's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened, and exactly I have been saying repeatedly times. We're gonna go here. You can see even the candle now. All these are liquidations. People here, they thinking we're going to the moon, and then we have these two candles to liquidate everybody, and then we can continue again going up. Go up. Everybody's thinking that now we're going to 60 again, and people don't buy. This is happening repeatedly, guys, so I don't want that to happen to you. That's why I'm here showing you what exactly. This was exactly 2 days ago, guys, so you still have the time to pay attention in order to take advantage of the market. Go to small time frame. We can see over here how we have been going all the way to the 76k, and now we lose momentum. So okay, so pretty much that's the 4-hour chart. I don't want to enter that right now, but that was exactly 2 days ago. Hopefully you join to all of us, and now we profit here. What actually I'm doing now, because in the weekly we just starting, guys. We don't have any confirmation on selling right here. As if you have been following me, you know already about the indicators. If you are new and you don't have any idea, just go to the description below. I have a video attached there where I explain completely for free all the indicators I'm using, so you can also follow my strategy, because you need one strategy if you want to be navigating the market. And be profitable. So we see Fortuna line, we're still going slowly, we don't have any strength, we could get a strength at any moment. The time has passed already since this area right here, the time has passed. That's why we know when it start going up. And now we're slowly going up. We have been just going slowly up. We break already this resistance, and we trying to approach the 55 MA, which is actually the orange line that you can also have in the description below. All those indicators you see right here, you can have it completely for free with my video. Well, I would explain you which one they are, but some like this VPR, you will see it differently. You need to pay some to TradingView, not to me, guys, to TradingView. So so let me check right now. What are we doing? In the weekly, I'm not selling here because we still have a lot of time to go. We're potentially going to go to 86 or to 90 even to reach all this part. And this would be crucial. I think that we may go all the way to the 95. Why? Because we just having a really slowly way up and everybody is getting super excited. And this, you need to understand, like when the bulls, just for a few candles, they get super excited, the market still need to F more people in order to continue going down. I don't really think that this is the bottom. I may run, but I don't think it's the bottom. And believe me, guys, I have a lot of experience in the market, have been already for many years here. And this, it doesn't look like a bottom. Why? For the same reason I have been just telling you about the sentiment of the bulls. The bulls still is there, super excited just because of this. But I do think for now, this is just a bull trap. We're just gonna go something like this and then going down. How low we will see in the next day. Remember, the sentiments always change really easy. So just play this careful. That's why personally, I'm gonna draw something here for you to have a little bit of idea. In the weekly, well, I'm gonna put first the 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day. This one you never sell. I never sell this. Never, ever. Never sell. Never sell. And it's always in a hardware wallet. Always in a hardware wallet. This is the heritage for your family, for friends, for whatever you name it, who you love. It's going to be for you and for them. This one you never sell because you know what is behind Bitcoin. And it won't exist anything else like that. In the weekly, you also have it. Well, I personally also have it in a hardware wallet, but only when I have the confirmation. And here I'm accumulating and moving to the 1 month all the time. And here, only when I have the confirmation to sell, I take it out of the wallet, put it into exchange and sell it. Why we don't have any confirmation? Because we see that we just starting. What we expecting here is the time to pass. Remember, the red green values, they just time. It's not that it's going into positive, negative. It's just time. When the time pass, we're gonna start forming a green valley. It may be even smaller than these ones over here. So we're gonna create all this bearish momentum. We don't have any strength yet. This is just trying to predict what the market is doing. This is one idea. I don't marry to ideas, but I love to have ideas in order to react and see possibilities, the possibilities that can happen, because it's all about possibilities, probabilities. All this, it play a set in order for you to take decisions. If you just get attached to what I'm saying right now, and the market by the time already changed, I mean, you're gonna get completely smashed. That's why, guys, just subscribe to the channel, because I come in here, I'm telling you as well when I'm selling. If you have been following me since October last year, October the 6th, we were around 120, and I was saying, guys, I'm done. I'm selling here my part. And also afterwards, I start selling as well, 115, 110, and that was all. And after that, we just saw coming down and down and down and down. So That being said, in the daily, I start selling already. Why? Because I was buying right here. I was buying around the 65, 60 in this area. I was accumulating. I was telling you. Of course, I was also in holidays, but I was saying I came with a video and say I'm buying here because I don't know if the Bitcoin price is going to continue going down. Everybody was calling going to continue going down and down and down, and also that sentiment, it meant a lot because everybody after the big smash of 50% we have, they still saying we're going to continue going down, and we eventually will do, but first we need to have a bounce. So now this bounce is finally coming, guys, finally coming, and that's why I don't saying that the Bitcoin price is going to stop right there, but in the daily, that's why distribution is really important in your portfolio, and here I'm selling already 50%. I'm fine with that. This is money I just have in the exchange. 50% is gone, and the other 50% I have with an order limit. What that means, I set a price where I want my Bitcoin to sell, and afterwards, if we go down, it's fine. I have it already above of what I bought. If we continue going up, the price limit, I'm just gonna start putting it up and up and up and up, and there's just earning from here, guys. That is what you always need to keep in mind. Always keep it above of the price you already bought, so you're always gonna have some profit. And yeah, and once we have the confirmation in the weekly to sell, I will come to you and say when I'm selling. But right now, do we still have more time to go in the weekly? We may see some, probably we will see, because if we smash the horizontal line, we're just going to continue going up and up and up, and we're not going to see any red valley yet. So don't expect the red valley. It's not only about the red valley, guys. It's also all the other indicators. That's why is that I have a set of indicators that tell me when to react. And remember, go to the description below, because like this you can have it completely for free, and you will have a better picture of what the market is doing. And if you have your own strategy, I would love to hear as well what you actually use. So just comment in the commentary below. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the weekly, guys. And the daily, you know what is coming, and the Bitcoin price is coming to the upper side. That is what actually is happening. And the 4 hours as well, we see we're still having this strain to the upper side. We need to break this area. We need to break it. Once we break it, we're just going to continue going up and up and up and up. Let me see, I'm going to show you better here the area I'm saying. Yeah, we need to break this area. Once we do, we're going to immediately go to the 80 zones. The question is if you should jump right now. And the daily, no. I will wait. If you're really not inside at all, I will wait the Bitcoin price go a little bit down, and then I buy. And whatever bounce you see is opportunity to buy. Or if we create a red valley, which I don't really think it will happen right now. Let's see in the next day, because it's already developed. But if we have some volume today, we will see. If we have some volume today, we're just gonna continue going up. I don't think we will see that. Let's see during today, because many things have been going up and up and up, and in the stocks we have a really green candle, like huge one, and Bitcoin have been just taking his time. So what I wanted to mention about this is, like, it doesn't really matter the news. Always gonna come some news to say why the Bitcoin price is going up or why it's going down, but we knew it already since 2 days ago, and this is actually from today. The news is from today, and I was telling you 2 days ago that we will go up if we take as a support the area we needed to break. That's it, guys. The consolidation, if we take it as a support, we're going to continue going up. I didn't know about the oil is going to continue rising up. So be careful with this. That's why you need a strategy. And if you want mine, you can go and take it completely for free in the description, and the video I attached to the description. And I would really appreciate you subscribe to the channel, share with a friend, smash a like, let me know in the commentaries if you have any other question. And for all of you that was waiting to know the price target, I'm gonna tell you right now. Let me draw it again. So we have been going all the way like this. Now we go like that. How to measure that? You actually measure from the bottom of the couple handle. Let me see. When like this. Sorry guys, I'm not perfect drawing with the mouse, but it would be like this. Let me make a almost perfect line. Only here, we can take it from here, and then from the breakout point would be right here, and there you have. We will go around the 89, 86 more or less. And this, you can do it like that, or you can also do it with the 55 EMA, which was exactly, the reach was around the 80, 86. If we go to 88, I do think that maybe we're going to come and reach this area. So you can do it either way with my strategy, or just measure it like this, but you need to have your eyes open to see these patterns, because it was there the whole time. And that's why I was saying, if we break this area, the consolidation, we're going to continue going up. So don't forget guys to subscribe to the channel, smash that like, I really appreciate it, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.